Whether you are a student or a working class or a guy who like to spend time in kitchen just eating and cooking like me, in that case you should watch this video because I'm going to show 35 kitchen verbs that Hindi people use every day in their life. Before we get started, if you're someone who is interested in learning Hindi, then you should subscribe to this channel. Also hit that like button because I create Hindi learning content every Monday. Yes, Hindi learning videos. So subscribe and hit that notification bell icon. Okay? Last week we learned most frequent kitchen items in Hindi, and this time we have verbs. Action! Time for cooking. Everything in the kitchen starts from boiling. Boiling, to boil, we say ubalna, 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 ubalna. Second, cutting. To cut, we call kaatna. All of the verbs we're learning are in two infinitive form. Okay? You know already what are two infinitives. So, kaatna, kaatna, kaatna. To cook, we call pakana, 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 pakana. To make, sometimes people use I'm cooking or some people say I'm making. So, to make, banana, just like banana, 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 banana. Washing. To wash, we call dhona, 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 dhona. To fry, we call talna. Tel means oil and talna means to fry. Okay? Talna. Talna. It's a dental T. Talna. Talna. To heat or to warm up, we call garam karna. Garam karna. Garam karna. You just want to warm sometime like a cold food. Garam karna. To squeeze like lemon, nichodna. Nichodna. It's not da, it's not ra. It's a d, like ladka, you know. So nichodna. 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 To serve food, we call parosna. 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 To put something on a cooking pot, to put dalna. Dalna, like namak dalna, you know, to put salt. Dalna. 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 To taste the food, we call chakhna. 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 To clean around, saaf karna. Saaf karna. Saaf karna. Saaf karna. Something you love to do. Bartan saaf karna. Bartan saaf karna. Bartan saaf karna. Bartan dhona. to do dishes, you know, to clean the dishes, to clean the utensils. Bartan dhona. I can cook, you can clean. Bartan dhona. Bartan dhona. Bartan means utensil, you already know. Bartan dhona, to clean utensil. Sometimes, you know, you raise the flame, sometimes you lower the flame, you know. So, to increase the flame, we call aach badhana. Aach badhana. Aach is the flame. Aach badhana. Badhana means to raise, to increase. Aach badhana. Aach badhana. To decrease the flame, to lower the flame of the fire. Aach ghatana. Aach ghatana. Or you can also say aach kam karna. Aach kam karna. Aach kam karna. To bake, like roti or any food, vegetables, sekna. 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 To make it something cool off, like cool down something. You know, it's something very hot and you want it. Thanda karna. Thanda karna. Thanda karna. Something is cooked or something is like fried, you want to take out, we call nikalna. Or maybe something from freeze you want to take out, nikalna. Nikalna. Something you grate, you know, we call ghisna. Like on the kind of like knife, I don't know, what do you call that? You know, grating, ghisna. Or you can say kaddukas karna. Kaddukas karna. Kaddukas karna. Kaddu literally means pumpkin, and people used to do that with the pumpkin, and that's how I think the word got invented, you know. So kaddukas karna, that will be grate, to grating, to grate, kaddukas karna. When you are cooking something, then you just like to take the spoon and move around, we call chalana. So you want to get burnt, chalana, chalana, chalana. Often we filter like liquid, like chai. So we call channa, channa, chai channa, channa. That's how the name came, channi. Chai channa. So channa is to filter liquid, okay? Channa, channa. To make dough, to make roti, we make dough. We call guthna, okay? Guthna, 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 guthna. We roll the bread. When you roll the roti, we call belna. That thing, the cylinder with which you roll, we call belan. And the action of that belan, we call belna. Belna. Okay, belna. Sometimes we have a wooden stick with the head like a ball, or maybe more like a flathearn in this way. And then we often like crush the vegetables and to make the thicky gravy, So we call ghotna, or sometimes we would do like this, or we would do like this. We call ghotna, ghotna, ghotna. We can also say masalna, but masala is more like on the hand, you like do like this. That will be more masala, but you can also say like to the food, okay? So ghotna, ghotna, and then masalna, masalna, masalna. When roti, you see when they are making roti, it swallows, to swell the roti. If you want to do that, then we call phulana. Roti phulana, often we call like that, roti phulana, or simply phulana. Puri, roti, these all kinds of food, Indian food, you see, they swallow. So we call phulana, phulana. Sometimes you roast something, like for example, soybeans or peanuts, or different kinds of nuts and dal. We just popcorn, we just roast, So we call bhunna, 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 bhunna. Sometimes you want to melt something, ghee or maybe butter. We call pighalna, 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 pighalna. When you want to fill something, like a bottle of water or glass, we call bharna, like pani bharna, fill the water, pani bharna, right? In the same way, bharna, bharna, bharna. There is one more verb. I didn't think I should tell you, but if you want, if you're deeply interested, we call majna. Majna is just not cleaning dishes. It's more like there are something stuck there, some blacks and things, and then you're like, you're cleaning very hard, strongly, and then you want to take out that, that we call majna. Well, that's it, I think, for this week. I hope you learned some good, useful verbs based on your activities around the kitchen. You can select the verbs and start using. I'll be very happy if you make some sentences using these verbs I told you in the comment section. And apart from that, my dear brother and sister, if you have any suggestions for this channel, because we make Hindi learning content, feel free to share. You can also email me, anil@langistan.com. And if you're someone who need a strategically placed well order of content, video learning, exercise and things like that, then you should check out langistan.com. That's where we'll put our premium content. And I will see you into the next Monday. Alright, so wherever you are, have a wonderful time. Happy Hindi learning. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.